everybody.
Hey everybody.
Welcome to our studio.
I'm Jeff Ocasio.
I'm Dale Ocasio. We work together to make art. Our art is mostly a world of sculpted characters. We've taught classes at the Alliance for the Arts, teaching our sculpting technique.
All right, I'm going to make some of these little characters that we're making now. This is something new. We actually, when you buy some of our unique pieces of art, we're placing a little character where we can in the art. And I'm going to make one of those little guys for you. This happens to be Harriet from the Eagle webcam, North Fort Myers. I've been inspired with all the activity of the new chicks that they have. But let me make this little character for you. Okay, I'm going to show you how I make little stick people that we put in some of our art now. But everything's a stick, and it's just rolling the tape with the sticky side out is what we do. And I just use the sticks. And to make the stick people, what I do is I get the stick, and I make a stick, and I roll the ball, make the little head. And then I get the long piece like this and roll it over the sides and bend it over. And that'll be our feet. I want to bring the body up over the feet there. And you've got there. And the arms right here. Tape his arms on. Tape his legs together. And that is as easy as it gets. And you can bend his little legs here like that. And that would be a little stick person. Just kind of, that's how it's making. And we use a tape like clay. And I just get tape and I put it in a ball and I shape it. And if I just roll this into like a little piece of candy, just like that, and bend it, I get another piece and I put it together like that, and I just bend it up, and that makes like a little mouth. And I'm just gonna use a couple eyes there, and I get another piece and I roll it here and I fold it over, and that could be my nose. And if I bring the mouth over there as well and bring it all together, you tend to see a little face come to life here. And that's how you use the tape. And then of course if you just put a little tape on the sides here, and smooth everything over, you'll see that you now have a little guy. No marbles or anything, but just the eyes showing a little face there. And that is how we sculpt with the tape. Kind of rough, that's a draft. And it's just treating tape like clay and sculpting it to your liking. Ta-da!
And this is my studio space. It's where I spend a lot of my time. There's quite a bit on my table right now, like this little whale. He's just waiting for me so patiently. One thing that's new are these little sunburst guys. Cleaning off their eyes, putting the final touches on them. They'll be finished soon. There's our glue we use. It's Weld Bond. It's a white water-based glue. We put it on all the sculptures after we're done sculpting, while we're sculpting, after we're done painting even. This shark. He's not done being painted, but I'm getting close. I need to decide what I want to put in his mouth. Maybe that little guy right there, it looks like he'll fit. I have a very limited color palette that I use, and this is all the paint. All the paints I use. These are some pieces that I haven't even started yet. This guy's not quite done being sculpted. We're still working on him, but he's on this table because we were gluing him. But I like what Jeff's done. We have a butterfly on top of his head and a flower at the end of his trunk. He's a cutie. We got a rooster coming up. Oh, oink oink here. I don't know what kind of noise this guy makes, but I sure like him a lot. Jeff and I hope you enjoyed getting a peek inside our studio and seeing what we're up to. Please keep creating and sharing, and stay well, everybody. Goodbye.